Cargo securing is a critical aspect of transportation that often goes unnoticed until something goes wrong. Imagine a truck making a sharp turn, and suddenly the cargo shifts, causing a dangerous situation. This is why understanding cargo securing methods is essential for everyone involved in the shipping industry. It's not just about keeping goods in place. It's about ensuring safety for drivers, other road users, and the integrity of the cargo itself. Let's dive into why cargo securing matters. First, consider the financial implications. Damaged goods can lead to significant losses, not just for the shipper, but also for the receiver. When cargo is improperly secured, it can shift during transit, leading to breakage or spoilage. This not only affects the bottom line, but can also result in costly delays. Second, there's the safety aspect. Loose cargo can become a projectile in the event of an accident, posing a serious risk to everyone on the road. In fact, statistics show that improperly secured loads contribute to a substantial number of road accidents. Finally, there's the legal responsibility. Regulations mandate that cargo must be secured according to specific guidelines. Failing to comply can lead to fines and legal repercussions, making it crucial for cargo officers to be well versed in these standards. Now, let's explore some common and effective cargo securing techniques. Straps and tie-downs are among the most widely used methods. They come in various materials and strengths, allowing for flexibility depending on the cargo type. For heavier loads, consider using chains or ratchet straps, which provide a more robust hold. Another effective technique is the use of dunnage, which involves placing materials between cargo items to prevent movement. This is especially useful for fragile items. Additionally, using corner protectors can help distribute the load and prevent damage to both the cargo and the securing equipment. It's also important to remember the weight distribution. Keeping heavier items lower and centered can significantly enhance stability during transit. Best practices for cargo officers go beyond just knowing the techniques. Regular training is vital. Officers should stay updated on the latest regulations and securing methods. Conducting routine inspections of securing equipment is also essential. Look for signs of wear and tear, as damaged straps or chains can compromise safety. When loading cargo, take the time to plan the arrangement carefully. A well-thought-out load can make all the difference in preventing movement during transport. Finally, always have a checklist on hand. This should include steps for securing cargo, inspecting equipment, and verifying compliance with regulations. A simple checklist can ensure that nothing is overlooked, leading to safer and more efficient operations. In conclusion, the importance of cargo securing cannot be overstated. It's about protecting lives, ensuring the integrity of goods, and adhering to legal standards. By employing effective techniques and following best practices, cargo officers can significantly reduce risks and enhance safety on the roads. Remember, a well-secured load is a safe load.